For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. As the rain and the snow come down from heaven, and do not return to it without watering the earth, and making it bud and flourish, so that it yields seed for the sower and bread for the eater, so is my word that goes out from my mouth. It will not return to me empty, but accomplish what I desire and achieve the purpose for which it was sent. You will go out in joy and be led forth in peace. The mountains and the hills will burst into a song before you, and all the trees of the field will clap their hands. Instead of a thorn bush will grow the juniper, and instead of the briers, the myrtle will grow. This will be for the Lord's renown, for the everlasting sign that will endure forever.